These are the steps to install the wide angle or the telephoto lens onto the iOgrapher iPad case. Take the lens out of the lens bag. On the back part of the lens is a cover. Carefully twist that off to expose the threading. On the upper right hand side of the case is the threading to attach the lens to. Carefully square that up and twist that on. Very important, you're only going to twist until you feel slight pressure. Once you do, stop twisting, otherwise you'll have difficulty taking it off later. As you can see, I took off the lens cover to expose the opening of the lens. When you're ready to take the lens off, carefully put the lens cover back on. Hold on as close as you can to the iPad case to twist the lens off of the case. And as a reminder, make sure you do take the back lens cover to put that back on to help protect the threading. Once you've done that, go ahead and put it back into the lens bag. As a reminder, please make sure you're only twisting until you have slight pressure between the iPad case and the lens.